how to make an Ethernet cable, this step by step. The materials that I need are the UTP Cat36 cable, the RJ45 connectors and covers, a crimping tool that in Spanish will be the ponchadora, the network cable tester, and well, the first step is to prepare the cable. So I need to use the crimping tools blade in order to gently remove the outer grain jacket of the cable. In order to do it, I need to rotate the tool and remove the plastic insulation and expose the 4 pairs of twisted wires. After that, I need to cut off the plastic central part because we will not use it, and separate the pairs of wires. The second step is to thread and order the wires. So I need to untwist each pair and thread the wires carefully so they are perfectly aligned. In this video, I will follow the T568B standard color order from left to right. So I need to put the wires with the follow orders like white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. And once I make sure that all the wires are in the correct order, I need to insert, right, the wires into the connectors. So I slide the protective cover first onto the cable, trim the wires in a straight line so they have the same length. That is very important to do it. After that, I insert the wires into the RJ45 connector and make sure that each wire reach the very end and touch the gold pins. Once I make sure that they are in the correct position, I use the crimping tool. I insert the connector into the 8B slot of the crimping tool. I squeeze firmly until to hear or feel like a click, and it will make me know that the connector is securely attached and won't slide off. The end, I need to repeat the exact same process on the other end of the cable using the same T568 wiring order, the same colors, the same order of the colors. And finally, if you can see in the video, you will be able to see that I plug both ends into the network tester. And if all 8 lines flash green in sequence, it will let me know that the cable is perfectly mated and is ready to use it. But if not, so something was wrong and I need to, for example, repeat all the process again or double check what was wrong. But in this case, you will see that all the 8 lights flash green in sequence. So that's all from me. That's all. That's it.